If the chain too thin, you cannot go through the jumping. Let me show you the way. I use a thin chain to show you. Good night, Yoni. Have a good rest, dear. So here, if this is the very tiny chain, yeah, and this chain, it cannot go through this or this because the wire size is 0.6. Last time, who asked for the very thick wire make the small circle? I checked with the factory; they don't have the jumping in these sides. We only have these sides and or like 1 and 7, 1 and 8. Okay, so know the size like that. And Sabine, good night. So this chain actually can go through by this jumping, the very, very small, the 0.5. But if your jumping, you don't have that small size, you can go to, I go to show you, you can use a wire size 0.4. Yeah, normally 0.4 is a wire can go through the hole of the link. You can try here. You can use a wire here. I'm using the gold. Yeah, we got much silver. One way is you can touch by a beads, but if you don't want to touch by the beads, you just use a wire. If you don't want the copper wire, you can use a steel wire. Okay, fold it to a 2 o'clock. Okay, then make a very small loop here. This way, a very small loop you make like this. Okay, then normally copper wire is 0.4, no problem. If 0.4 is still too thick, you change it to use 0.3. Okay, here, go through this way. Here, a loop. Okay, then another side the same. Fold and make a very small loop here. Got it. It's actually like a small mini connector here. Then you tight your plier, tight the plier, and we wrap. Here. Cut the extra. Cut the extra. Tight. So it's like a small mini 8 wrapper here. Then you can hang the jumping here. It's like attach a 8 wrapper at the end if your chain too tiny. So here the way got it, dear artist. This is the way. I have a tutorial in my TikTok page, and you can go to check it. It's a little long time ago. Here the tips. These tips I'm going to post again on my video here on my tutorial page at the DIY for you handmade. So this way. Another one you can make it again. Let me just show you in this chain here. Or you make it's like a infinity. You see this way. And this way, or you make it like an infinity. Okay. If this is a chain jumping, cannot go. Okay. So tight. And wrap. This way cannot wrap so much nice because the space at the middle not big enough. You need to wrap both the wire. Here. Wrap one more. Make like an infinity and cut. Then tight. So this way. Here. Got it. Yeah, it's both the way work. I make one more time for the infinity. Here. This. And here. This. Tight. Tight. Okay. Here. So if for some very thin chain, you can make it by a copper wire, thinner wire, so that it can save the problem. I feel the first way that can make it nice. Yeah, make it more nice. Okay, so this is the way for the piece. Or if you want to just put wrap a mini beads 2 millimeter. Yeah, it's this way to tight. Use a connector, a beads connector. Here, lock. Some small beads. If you don't want it obviously, you just use a clear color beads. 2 millimeter or 3 millimeter at the chin end. If the chin very tiny, you can use the 2 millimeter beads to lock the end. Here. This way also I see some friends they use this way. Here. This one. I think we have another way can be tried. Oh yeah, just like this. Okay, no. The other way need to use a pro or something. Okay, so here. This is the way that we can do. Thank you. If you have some question, feel free to